ocean of shame. Here I am, walking down the streets, headphones on my ears, let me get out of this life. Feeling stuck in the lies, like might be seen or disguised. I don't know what happened, but individuals are something we can reckon on. People don't get it, I'm sick of their mistakes, I'm sick of this illness. She drives us crazy, why you don't see it? She's hiding and waiting for us to let her in our body. I mean it, open your eyes and admit it. The reason why you can't is because she's in here already. You feel it? You feel lost or a bit stupid. She's eating all the goodness and the sweetness you once carried. Let it go, please. Be yourself. Promise you'll never be directed by someone else. I really need someone again. So help me contain my pain. I tried to find you, but in vain. I'm drowning in this ocean of shame. You heard that? It's no perjury, I'm just living and this is my testimony. They just follow money everywhere they go. They just thinking many options to have it all. Lord no, wait, did you only want this? Did you really think currency what the real business? Nobody cares now, we live in unhappiness. MNCs and politics might be the most murderous thing about life. I just feel helpless, I'm just playing dice wishing that it's gonna be better. I put on my sweater on a dark blue day, and in singing this song I can't do nothing but I pray. I really need someone again. So help me contain my pain. I tried to find you, but in vain. I'm drowning in this ocean of shame. We'll fight every storm that was set between us two. We'll start getting nowhere with every hassle too. I mean, bearing them is already fine. We should be able to live together. Let's all be like them, right? Oh, king of mine, I put you on the throne. We would always be in pairs, like each chromosome. And when you get undressed, Lord, my mind is blown. If I were to choose between Bright and Leo, I would have none. But you're a neighbor, you're always wet in my palm, shining so bright that you'll illuminate the sky in a second. And I might have been warned, don't fall for a dark one, cause when you stop and you would die for him, he would be gone. But everything is under control, you should know worry, hijo. My feelings are unreachable, like sent through a sombrero. And maybe this guy can move me like no one could, but I get strong and he would do nothing else but do me good.
Have I lost?
Could it be that perfect with someone else?
Will I ever?
How do you do that? You are always in my head. You blow away my sorrow, you got me feeling mellow. Is it love that you show? So come on, take my hand, show you how it goes. There's no rules, but I can always call the shots. I know how you look, yeah, let me be in charge. Be my Prince Charming, I'll be Cinderella. And if you miss one step, I won't let you fall. Carry you through the darkness with my bony arms. Don't worry, babe, feels good to know we can count on each other. Don't listen to the others, tell them we talk to them later. You feel that breeze, we all at peace. And enjoy it before somebody just ruins it. Magnificent, how astonishing. Hearing your voice is like hearing weird instruments. I get chicks in my body, could you stop intimidating me? Stop punishing my promise, pop the go. Crazy, I love you so. Darling, you make me know how life can be wonderful. You brought me confidence, everything I needed you to be strong and face life as a real woman would do. So I did grow up, and the little girl I was become uninhibited and didn't care about her flaws. And you used to joke, you always teasing me, but it is cold, soft love. And I would always answer quickly, babe, I liked your style, and we had so much fun jumping on the clouds on our dates. Felt my heartbeat in my veins, you were intimidating, but I would ship you in a way to stop in faith. We were on the same page, get it on so well that our love could have the gates to overcome any obstacle. Our story was logical, and when we were together, not a thing was audible. The season passed by, we would not pay attention to the rest of the world, and between us, no tension. Baby, you make me go, baby, you make me go crazy. I love you so, crazy. I love you, darling. You make me know how life can be wonderful. Life can be wonderful. Baby, you make me go, baby, you make me go crazy. I love you so, crazy. I love you, darling. You make me know how life can be wonderful. But you were doing nothing, stuck in your bed just playing, while I was doing so much stuff I didn't think I could fit in a day. Our days became grey, and bit by bit we started losing that magical thing we had back then. Ding ding dong, whenever I sing songs, you were not supporting me the way you should, so I kept on telling you I miss you, and would you want to go out with me? I introduced you to my new friends, but you didn't want to. Kept on saying you had no money, but you did nothing to earn some. How do you want us to carry on like this? No routine is possible. No, I really meant the way I felt. I know you did too. This broke our hearts into pieces, but now we're healed, I guess. Baby, you make me go, baby, you make me go crazy. I